Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Root 1 with another video on ShrikeLinux. Yesterday I did updates of ShrikeLinux, and even I built another ISO because the previous ISO had some issues, errors, so I had to build another one. So it was known to be uploaded soon, and I gave it 2 weeks from now to upload. But today there is someone who contacted me, and he told me that they would like to use that ISO because the other one will not help them because it has bugs. So I had to upload another ISO. Today I've uploaded 2. Yesterday we looked at the installation of ShrikeLinux with the Polybar, and it's this one in my in my KVM machine. I want to view of them to see them. This one is in KVM. Not install. Let me just quit the installer. And this one, let's see. I'll leave that one. Let's see which one should I choose. Let's use this one. Let's have that one for now. So this runs in KVM VirtualBox. In a virtual machine. So I decided to make 2 versions, and you see them. So let me take this one to another display. We first see this one. So this is ShrikeLinux with TINT2 panel. As I told you last time that I will release 2 ISOs, and it will depend on what people likes. I will hold it. I will put it on pause if it is not likable, and then I ship one. Both of them are XFCE. Even this one is XFCE. This one is TINT2 panel. First of all, let me show you. Today I've uploaded those ISOs because someone complained that they need the previous. This was the previous ISO which had errors. This one, so they were complaining that they are downloading it, but it doesn't have directories. So today I've uploaded the TINT2 panel, and I've uploaded the Polybar version. Let me put it here. So this is you want to make it clear, like to see it. We on the sourceforge. Alright, let's put it here. Okay. This is ShrikeLinux with Plank and TINT2 panel. This is TINT2 panel. It has where there is short that is screenshot program which saves in your, I think we have taken this one. This photo is the one we have taken. That one. I have to display this one and this one. That's why it captures both display. That is screenshot. This one takes screenshot. Arch keys, I told you, it's for updating your keys. I want to show you everything today. Then if you happen to watch this video, it will be everything concerning ShrikeLinux version of TINT2 panel and a version of Polybar. So here you update your keyrings. If you want to install anything, you tap here, you excuse this one, then you put your package. Let's say if I don't have Vim but I have it, I put my password here, then it installs. If I didn't have it, it would have done so. So another thing is, this was right click, then left, it was left click, then on right click, exactly on install, it installs package from AUR. This one, it has both sides. Let me show you. Left click, it's Pacman. Right click is AUR, and it is yay, not paru, yay. Let's say FreeTube. Line 1, they are telling us we don't have yay. I didn't install it, but if you want to use it, you'll install yay package. And so that is it. We have Pacman on left, and on right we have yay. That is it. So on updates, here we update our machine. It's update. And another thing, we have seen the update. We have seen screenshot such keyrings install for Pacman and yay, AUR repository. We have seen updates. So we come here where their drives are mounted. Right click, you mount your drive. You first go here in the terminal. Let me open my terminal. Then you do rsblk, and then this is on B. So if you find that there is a disk on B, on SDB, then if at all you want to mount it, you place right click like this, you put dev SDB, okay, and you put the password. I will not mount it. So to view your drive, then left click. Then if it was there already mounted, it would have shown. So we go to trash, the trash folder. It's here where trash, these are the things I deleted when I was cleaning the ISO. And again, when you are building the ISO, there are a lot of things which you remove. Because some files might stop working. Building an ISO is a task, really. It's a hard task, and it's time consuming, but has me most of. I love to do so because I love to have things broken, because it's how I've been learning and how I've been getting the passion to dip in deeper in Linux because of that learning side. So I really love when my system breaks, because that is a fun time to correct everything, to reinstall sometimes and install new packages like that. And most of time I don't fear to work on my machine. I cannot run the new installer, because whenever you run a new installer, you get a fresh ISO and you won't learn. You have to find a way to make it work. Not every time that when your machine breaks you have to reinstall, to reinstall a new operating system. It's bad, you won't learn. So on view we have restrictor, it's one image viewer. On edit we have a Vim on left click, and we have mousepad on right click. That is it. Left click is Vim, right click is mousepad. And then on files, it's where we have our Thuna file manager, Thuna file manager. And then there are some things I wanted to show you, but I'll show you in the other virtual machine. Let's first continue. Then here on system settings, it's where you see your XFCE settings are here. XFCE settings, tweaks and everything, they are here. So that's why I always tell you that TINT2 panel, though it's not looking well, it's not beautiful like for Polybar, but I think it is user friendly. This one with the Polybar, many people likes this one because it's really looks nice. But if I'm to recommend a new user, I recommend XFCE, ShrikeLinux XFCE TINT2 panel, because everything is just here displayed. Everything is displayed on that TINT2 panel. For Polybar, at least you have to know something a bit, but again, as I told you, I made it simple for everyone to dip in and run the system. So let me try to take it to another workspace. So on the one with TINT2 panel, we have our plank down here. On our plank, I've forgotten, this one is not there. We don't have Waterfox by default. We don't have a LibreWolf. We don't have virtual machine. We don't have Brave. We don't have FileZilla. We don't have Waterfox. The rest are there. The reason why I use Brave here, it's only handles my YouTube only. I don't do it for other things. It's just YouTube. And as I told you last time that I'm very focused on privacy. That's why I do browser isolation. So this is with TINT2 panel. It's done and it's here, the TINT2 panel on SourceForge. It's here, uploaded today, 22 minutes. I uploaded the TINT2 panel, ISO, ShrikeLinux today. So if you download this one, you get this. If you download a TINT2 panel ISO, you will get this. That is what I wanted to show you. So we go to another ISO. So this is Polybar. This is ShrikeLinux with Polybar. So as I told you, these buttons will not work, but again you have I think Alt R or Alt F1 to spawn your Rofi. Please don't forget that one. Let me check. I want to be sure. I don't know if I changed it or it's still, yeah, it is Alt F1 to spawn your Rofi. Alt F1 to spawn your Rofi like this. It will come Alt F1. This is host machine, that's why you are seeing Gravbox theme. For Node for Polybar, it's Node theme. So F1, Alt F1, it will spawn Rofi in both version for TINT2 panel and that one of Polybar. So let's continue. Here, I forgot to explain you here. These are our usual suspect for XFCE buttons, shutdown, what and what. These are common, and even network. Here we have our key, our key rings, arch key rings. They are here. You click, you execute it. If it was already installed, it would have asked you for the password, and this dialog goes off when it's done. It just goes off. So, and then this one is a screenshot, the one we have seen in the other version. I think it is already taken the screenshot. Yeah, it's here. It's already taken the screenshot. This is it. So, and then how am I going to remove? Oh yeah. Then another thing is you have a screen recorder here. Even on the other one, there is a screen recorder, vocal screen engine. Then you have Qt browser here. Here it is hidden. Some people told me I should put it on this panel, but I forgot, and even people wanted to use this ISO, so I said no, let me just ship it the way it is, as long as it is working. This is our Qt browser, a Vim-like browser, and the issue was on this one. We didn't have a directory. So this is again what I wanted to show you. If you're new to Linux and you're seeing a lot of directories here, you just come to your view and you untick show hidden files. It will go all of them. I'm sorry, I forgot to remove that one, but again, it is just self-explanatory. If you want to put them back, it's like this. Those people who have used Linux for long, they know. This is sooner. It is easy. I removed the PCman FM because sometimes it doesn't mount. External drives. sometimes not that it is like that. So here we have our tuner, we have our terminal. The terminal to help you if at all you want to use these buttons, this one, menu and shut down thing. You just do chmod plus X. We're on the desktop now. .config Polybar and star, like that. So right now you can use them. You can use them now. They are working well. You execute them. Here we have XF ban. Those who have CDs to ban, current unavailable. Oh, I didn't install it. Oh, I'm sorry for it's there. I was wondering. And this one is Brazil, my favorite, though it is a GNOME application. Maybe it's GNOME, though I love XFCE, but I really love Brazil. This is our mousepad. It's there, our mousepad. And then we have color picker. This one helps you to pick color anywhere you want. Maybe I want to pick this color up here. You place like this, then you open your text editor, you paste your color there. If you want to copy it somewhere else, maybe browser, you want to change something, you paste your color there. Don't save. It works like that. I really love this application. And my favorite application, one of my favorite, in fact I love Vim. I really love Vim. Even Vim is here, shipped by default. We have a Firefox browser. It's there. It's our Firefox. It is coming. It's just because Linux doesn't take long, but it's just because I'm in a virtual machine and I didn't give it enough RAM, but it is working because it is Linux. Linux is good, is cool. So these are your directories. Let's say if at all I put back these one, where are they? Hidden files. I want to see if I can navigate through them using this one. Here I cannot, but maybe it needs to first install. But you can use even this directory menu to navigate through your tuner using only this one. So that is it. Then we have 6 workspaces here. These are all workspaces. Those who are coming from Windows, let me show you here the workspaces there. Here these are all workspaces, you can use them, but the one which is open, it's here. Again, you are seeing it is highlighted. The one which is highlighted, you just know that either you want on that tab, you want that on that very workspace, or there is a application which is open. If I remove, if at all I shut that window and that application, you don't see it is highlighted here. So that is it. So even Wi-Fi, you use this one to search for your Wi-Fi here. This one. Next, for to keys, between keys and notification. there. So that is what I wanted to tell you. The ISO is already out. It's already out. Some people reached me and told me they need them. So this is Polybar, the one we have seen right now, just right now in the virtual machine, and TINT2 panel is the one we have seen at first. So it's up to you to choose the one you really want to run. But for new users, I think TINT2 panel. I know most of people will say it doesn't look the way they like it. The other one, Polybar, it looks nice and sexy, but you have these help scripts here. It helps you. These scripts helps you. So I think it will be good for you. It will work for you well. Though the Polybar one looks nice, it will be your choice. But again, if you get any issue you want to talk to me, my email is on sourceforge, and you can I don't know if my email is not in privacy on YouTube, but again, when you go to my code bag, you can again leave me a message there. In fact, email. In fact, I'll try to share my email so that you can reach me whenever you want to talk to me. Those who are away from Uganda, most of people from Uganda right now, they can use even calls to call me and everything. Feel free. This is open source. Recently, there is someone who say that they cannot support me because I want money from them, and yet I have not asked for money from any person, because this is open source. I built this ISO from someone's, in fact from ShrikeLinux. So ShrikeLinux gave me a free platform to build on their project mine. So I'm telling you, open source is free of charge. It's free of charge, and I love to do this. I love to share with people. At first, I used to run my ShrikeLinux alone in my house. A friend told me that I should share with people. But immediately when I started sharing with people, I realized what I've been missing. I've been missing community, because I'm always alone. From work, I come back in my house and I sit on the computer almost all night. I'm someone who doesn't sleep every time like that. So talking to me, it will keep me active, and it will keep me active. I will not be lonely the way I've seen running my ISO. And another thing, I started this project as mine because I was using Archcraft. I mean, Archlabs. Archlabs was my favorite distro. I used to use Archlabs, but Net stopped it because I don't know, but maybe the work was a bit consuming their time. They decided to pause the development. So when I realized that right now I don't have anything to run, I started building my ShrikeLinux, putting the programs which I really like to use. Then I started with ShrikeLinux. So it has been with me, on me, everything. It's mine. Recently, a friend told me I should share with people around the world, maybe in my country, Uganda, because the truth is, In Uganda, Linux, to most of people, it's just a new thing. You tell someone I'm running Linux, he tells you which type of window is that. He just tells you which type of Windows is that. You tell him that there is an operating system, open source, it's called Linux. He tells you I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it, and that window, I don't think it is easy for me. So they call it window. Most of people, they call it window. What type of window is that? So it's like they were locked in that sphere of Windows thing. But as I've been telling you, I don't need money from any person. This is open source project. Run it. It works well. When you get any issue, contact me. I fixed bugs. Because me, a day I can even release, I can even build like 20 ISOs a day. Because I have machines, I have internet here, and Linux is my hobby. I really like to tinker. I really like to configure things. As I've told you, when something doesn't break, I don't get happiness. I always want to be busy with my Linux. So this is ShrikeLinux, and I hope even new people, new people to Linux, new users will find it their distro, and we develop Linux. So that is it. I'm happy that whoever is going to watch this video, I'll be happy if you leave me a comment or anything. If there is something you want to know, you just tell me. There is something I want to know about Linux. I will explain. Free of charge. This is open source. I don't need money. I have time to explain. That's why I'm telling you, don't fear. You can contact me anytime. You can leave comment and tell me there is something you want to know. I'll explain. Thank you so much for your time. It's night here where I am. It's 3 a.m. And others it's 9. It's still I think some of my friends it's just 7 p.m. All right, have good times and have a good night. Have good times wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Bye.